Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Facebook crashing on iPhone. First of all, go ahead and open your app store, search for Facebook and make sure to update your app to the latest version. Then just go ahead and restart your iPhone. If after reopening also if it still crashes, go to your settings, search for iPhone storage, scroll down, look for Facebook and then click on offload app. This will free up storage used by the app, but it keeps documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. Next, in settings, go back and then see if there is any updates available for iOS. If there is, make sure to update it. Then at last, delete the app from the phone, go to your app store, search for Facebook and then reinstall it from there. Safety tip: avoid beta apps, they crash more. Quick fix: turn off Bluetooth app if freezes. And that's it. Subscribe for